kaibigan, kaklase. Utangan din natin pwede.
Ano na ang pambatas ng sugar?
Sige na, Joel.
In behalf of Batch 89, Certificate of Appreciation, this certificate is proudly presented to Joel Miranda.
Kang-iyak.
In recognition of your outstanding contributions and dedication, we sincerely appreciate your efforts and commitment. Thank you so much. Mula sa puso namin. Going above and beyond. Yun po ang tunay. Kinilabutan ako doon and beyond. Your thoughtfulness knows no bounds, and it is truly humbling to receive such kindness from you and from us. Your generosity inspires us to be better person and to spread kindness and joy to others. We are so lucky to have you. Diba?
Yes.
Given this 27th day of July in the year 2024 from Batch 89, Dr. Nicolas V. Rosia Memorial School! Thank you so much. Thank you din sa ating mga leaders ng Batch 89. Sila po talaga ang talagang diba, nag-effort to have this. Picture mo kami. Thank you po. Sama na ako.
Thanks to you who do the thankless work, some we see and some we don't, making life for us much easier, doing jobs we can or won't. They're the maids who work at homes and inns, oil jocks doing loops, the ones who do the hard jobs like we all see on the tube, fix our cars and trucks, make service calls every time we ask, landscape our yards and mow our lawns, collect our waste and trash.